what you've been told, but the sky right here is gonna rule the world. Yeah, that is where I'm gonna be, because I want.
Hey guys, I am doing another room tour. So now that Christmas is over, I've taken all of my red decorations out and I'm moving all of my pink ones in. So I'm going for a winter wonderland look, and I think it got accomplished. I love the look of my new room. It's so pretty, and I didn't shop or anything. Just letting you guys know, I used all old decorations. I didn't buy anything new. And let's just show you guys right now what my room looks like currently. Milo. Do you want in? Okay, so you walk into my room and this wall has some artwork that I want to show you. So I did this painting and I really love it. The colors are so nice. There's like a nice pink, and there's a bunch of different colors of pink. Like we've got that pink and that pink. And then we have this painting right here that I did like 3 years ago or something. It's really cool. It was like a little DIY I did on my 3rd channel. And I've been able to use this over and over and over because the colors are just so nice. And then right here I have this white mirror. This mirror has been painted so many times. So you can see it's just white right here. But you can see over here in the corners, there's like yellow from like other mirror like paintings. Okay, and then over here, this is my desk. So I'm obsessed with my desk. I think it is so cute. So I got this iMac for Christmas and it's amazing. I love sitting in it. And then I have this chair that I've been able to use this in like every single room that I make. It looks so cute. It's like this fluffy chair with a nice wood legs. I got this candle for Christmas and it's just really pretty. I also got this for Christmas. It says practice my voice. So I have a really sore throat right now, so I need to do some warm-ups that like help it for my voice lessons. And then we've got this little plant right here. I've had this for so long. It matches every single room and it's just really cute. It kind of looks like snowy and it's pink and green. And then we've got my amazing iMac. I love this so much. So I don't have a keypad for it yet. It's not coming in time for this video, but it's gonna be nice. It's like this color kind of. It's like a rose gold and it's a circle and it'll just go right here. So this is my Compata. I edit on this. It's amazing. And then over on this side I have some pens. I just picked out the pink ones. These are really nice pens. There is a candle right here that smells amazing. I got this from the dollar section at Target. These are like amazing slimes that I've made before, and then a little squishy from Claire's on top. And the cool thing about this desk is that usually you can't put slime on wood, but this one you can, and so I can like sit and play with slime while I watch YouTube videos. It's amazing. And then there's this little pull-out tray. My mom painted this pink for me so that when you pull it out it's like pink, so I always have it a little pulled out because I really love the color. And then I've got my drawers. This is how I organize them. So the top one is markers, and like I've got chalk, I have markers, I have paper for letters for Poshmark, and then underneath all of my markers I have a coloring book. And then this next one is my random drawer, so I have like a phone case, I have a ring light for my phone, a fan for my phone, the next air freshener I'm going to use when my new one runs out, a headband, some tape, squishies, and another slime that is in a weird container, so I didn't put it up here. And then down here I've just kind of got like beauty related things, so I have some clear nail polish, things I got from Claire's, a little body lotion and a little mini perfume, a hairbrush, and my curling iron. And then up here we've got my lights. I use these in every single tour. Let me turn them on. They're so cute. So I usually hang like Polaroids or leaves for the fall, but this time I hung snowflakes. I don't know if you can see them, but a little snowflake, and they're really cute. And then over here, this keeps me super organized, so I just have a sleeping mask because it matches really well, and if I just can't sleep, I've got a sleeping mask here. I got this from Claire's, and then underneath it I have a notebook where I can write down what like my priorities of the week are. Like, do I need to film this many videos? And I just write that down and it's right there for me. And then right here, this is my musical instrument area. So this is my banjo. I got this for Christmas and it's so cool. I'm starting to learn. I learned my first song. And then down here I've got my ukulele, which is kind of out of tune. But yeah, this is my ukulele. And then up here I just have this little picture that's really cute that we got from Hobby Lobby. Okay, so don't mind my socks. I couldn't find any, so I had to wear Sky Zone socks and this sock. So I have this rug. This is the most softest, cutest rug ever. I have this in white as well. It's so fuzzy and pink, and it was like $15 at Ross. I'm obsessed. And then this is my bed. So this bed is amazing. So You got this blanket. I'm pretty sure it's from Target. I like it a lot because it's gray, but it looks like there's snow on top of it. It's super nice. And then I have this pink blanket that I've had forever, like sticking out. And then this white fluffy blanket. And then I just have my MacBook because this is what I used to edit on. But now that I do it on my iMac, I just kind of have the MacBook around just in case I'm traveling and I need to edit when I'm traveling. And then I've got this little pusheen that I also got from Claire's. It's really cute. It's got a little donut and everything. This I got from Target. It's just a heart fluffy pillow and then 2 white pillows back there. And then up here, I just wanted a pop of color, so I have these keychains that I didn't have a bag that they really matched well with, so I just hung these on my window because why not? This is my bedside table. This bedside table has lasted me so long. I got it from Target like 3 years ago, and it has lasted me forever. I really, really like it. It's super sturdy. So on my bedside table, I just have this candle that I got from Target. I actually use this in my fall room, but it goes super well in this room too. Then we've got my phone just charging. So this case actually matches really well. Then I have this super cool lamp right here. So I'm not charging my phone in the lamp, but you can. You can charge your phone in your lamp. And there's a plug here, so I can plug in my curling iron and my phone at the same time in one lamp. And there's like a little cubby, so in here I just have some makeup that didn't fit in my makeup drawers, which I'll show you in a second. So it's just a brush, an eyeliner, a really cute lipstick that I haven't opened yet because I already have one of them, and then a chapstick because at night my lips get super chapped, so it's nice to just have it right here. This is Vaseline. It works way better than like any chapstick I've had. And then I have this cute little perfume, and it matches really well. And then up here I have this ornament that my sister gave to me for Christmas, and then a tape, which is kind of random, but I use tape a lot, so if I ever need one, there it is. And then a sleeping mask for when I can't sleep, and it matches really well, and it's just the perfect color, and it helps really well because sometimes I forget to turn off lights and I don't want to get up, so I gotta use my sleeping mask. Next to my bed, I have this amazing picture that my mom did, and I'm obsessed. I think it's so cute. So it's like a pink with a little unicorn. And then right here I have my favorite boots. I got these from Target, and I just like that they're here because I wear them in like every outfit, so I can just like grab them. And then this is my closet, not my actual closet. This is my storage closet because my real closet is in a different room because it's really big. And then on this wall right here, I have my vanity. I got the pillow from Target. It's really, really pretty, and I like the blue in the middle. It's like icy. And then I got this chair from Ross, and it was like the only one they had left, and it's super nice. It's like fuzzy, and I just love sitting here and doing my makeup. So right here I have a makeup organizer that I got for Christmas. So this is really cool. Look, they can come apart or they can be stacked on top of each other, and I really like it. So like I have all of my lipsticks, and then I have my other eyeshadow palettes down here because there's like a little section, and then I have this little makeup organizer in case I ever need another one. Then I have all of my brushes, and then this perfume that I found in my sister's room that she didn't want, so I was like, I want it because it matches my room, and it smells really nice. And then I have another makeup organizer right here, and a cat mug. So I really like this whole setup. It's super girly and fun, and I love the fluffiness of the chair. Thank you guys so much for watching. That is it for my room. I love it. I love like the pinky, unicorny, like pastel feel. Like when I walk in, I'm like, and if you couldn't tell, I love pastel pink and I love fluffy stuff. Everything I have is literally fluffy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked this video and that you got some inspiration for what you want to do for your room. Bye! Yeah. And then right here I have this, and then up here I just have this little cardboard section. Really sturdy. We've had it for so long. My cat just came in. My favorite boots in case and never mind, hang on.